So as you guys already know, my favorite language is C++, and I wanted to dip my toes in the world of engineering. So here's the story of me trying an Arduino for the first time. So basically, there's this project in school where you can learn anything you're passionate about, and obviously I chose something about technology. I'll admit something before I continue. This isn't my first time using an Arduino. I used it before, but just learned how to light up an LED, then I quit. But this time was a little bit different. In the beginning, I wanted to use Vim with an Arduino, but then that didn't work, so I used VS Code. Somewhere in this process, I switched to the Arduino IDE, and it was so much better than I remembered it. Then I learned how to make a push button with the Instructables website. This didn't work for some reason, and after an hour of debugging, I watched literally 2 seconds of this video and it started working. Turns out, I made the button pin an output instead of an input. Then I incorporated a flag variable. This basically means that when I press the button, the LED stays on, and when I push it again, it turns off. Pause. Okay, so here I'm going to briefly explain how to use a push button with an Arduino. Here's a diagram of what we should do. So basically, we take the positive and negative of the Arduino and put it on the breadboard and attach that power to the button. Then in the code, we basically put button pin as an input, and then we read if the button state is low. If then, we do something. Then I learned RGB LEDs, ultrasonic sensors, and IR remotes. And here's my final project.